Some of the most appealing toys are those that make noises. However, if a toy is excessively loud, it could lead to permanent hearing loss. And this is especially problematic for young children because hearing loss at an early age has ramifications for speech development. Federal regulations suggest avoidance of prolonged exposure to noise above 85 decibels. Unfortunately, toy manufacturers were not required to follow these standard guidelines until 2009. Now, handheld, tabletop, floor, and crib toys producing continuous sound cannot do so in excess of 85 decibels when measured from approximately 20 inches. A separate standard exists for those toys that you use close to your ear, such as a telephone, and the continuous sound limit on those toys is 65 decibels when measured from 20 inches. Unfortunately, many toys do not comply with these important regulations. For instance, all three of these toys have tested above the 85 decibel requirement, such as this Dora guitar.
Let's play the guitar. Vamos a tocar la guitarra.
And in fact, there are some toy guns that have been tested between 110 and 135 decibels, which corresponds to the noise generated by a heavy truck, a rock concert, or an airliner taking off. If your child has an excessively loud toy, you can do one of two things: either remove the batteries or place tape over the speakers to reduce the noise level.